Hello everyone friends, this is Valera's channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install shaders in a Forge build. For this, or just for a Forge build in a mod pack. For that we need Forge itself, Forge Minecraft. Go to the site and select the version. It'll be 1.20.1.8 for me. For Preheste, do the same thing. Click download. Next, we need Optifine. Go to the site and select download. I have version 1.20.1.8. So choose 1.20.1.8 and click download. And shaders. I'll be using complementary shaders. Go to Forge course, go to files. The last one will work fine. Click download and wait 5 seconds on each page. Click skip. The download has started. Click skip, then click download. Download started. Wait 2 seconds and another download will start. These 3 files are all we need today. Nothing else needed. Now let's transfer them. Open Forge installer, click OK. Installation has begun. After that, Forge will appear in the Minecraft launcher. Go to the folder where we need to put Optifine in the mods folder. This can be deleted now. And let's go back. Here we need to put our shader pack in the shader packs folder. Drop it here. Now you can launch the game and select your downloaded shaders in settings. This has been Valera. Goodbye everyone.